हॅलो स्टुडंट. तर पहा, आज आपण आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये प्रॉब्लेम सेट नंबर 4 आणि त्यामधले क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 हे दोन क्वेश्चन बघणार आहोत. त्यामध्ये आपल्याला सिमिलर ट्रायंगलचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन करायचं आहे आणि असे दोन ट्रायंगल आहेत ज्यात एक व्हर्टेक्स असतो कॉमन. तर बघा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 आहे, ट्रायंगल ABC सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल LBN मीन्स, याचा अर्थ काय? Vertex B is common in these two triangle. Two triangle are similar means corresponding sides are in proportion, corresponding angle are congruent. So out of these two triangle, measure of one of the triangle are given which are sufficient for the construction. In triangle ABC, AB is 5.1 centimeter, angle B is 40 degree and BC is 4.8 centimeter. Means two sides are given and angle included by them is also given 40 degree. So we can construct this triangle ABC by using test SAS. Ratio is given, ratio of corresponding side is AC upon LN. AC upon LN is 4/7. Then construct triangle ABC and triangle LBN. Firstly we have to draw a rough figure. कालच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे रफ फिगर अगोदर काढावं लागेल आपल्याला. तर रफ फिगर काढल्यानंतर देन वी हॅव टू डिसाइड विच ट्रायंगल इज बिगर and which triangle is smaller, and this can be determined by using the ratio of corresponding side given in question. So let us concentrate here. AC is 4 times, then LN is 7 times. AC is the side of triangle ABC and LN is side of triangle LBN. Means triangle ABC is smaller, triangle LBN is bigger. Therefore triangle ABC हा घ्यायचा लहान, हा ट्रायंगल ABC. B व्हर्टेक्स इज कॉमन. बेसच्या ठिकाणी लेफ्ट साईडला B हा व्हर्टेक्स घेतला मी. अँड देन ट्रायंगल LBN इज बिगर. राईट ऑल द मेजर दॅट आर गिवन इन क्वेश्चन. तर आपल्याला ट्रायंगल ABCचे सर्व मेजर दिलेले आहेत जे आवश्यक आहेत कन्स्ट्रक्शनसाठी, ज्यामध्ये AB इज 5.1 सेंटीमीटर, अँगल B इज 40 डिग्री अँड BC इज 4.8 सेंटीमीटर. तर दिस इज अवर रफ फिगर. देन let us start to construct the actual figure, means fair figure of this construction. Then firstly we have to draw the triangle ABC. Then start with base. Draw base BC, means segment BC of length 4.8 centimeter. Firstly I will draw the segment BC of 4.8 centimeter. नंतर B पासून A चं अंतर 5.1 एवढं सेंटीमीटर आहे. तर चॉकमध्ये 5.1 एवढं अंतर घ्यायचं आहे. कंपासच्या दोन टोकामधलं अंतर 5.1 सेंटीमीटर एवढं असलं पाहिजे. पुट पॉइंटर ऑन B and then draw an arc. Then similarly आता तिन्ही साईड नाही दिलेला, अँगल दिलेला आहे. त्यासाठी वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ an angle, means we have to draw a ray which passing through this point B and making angle of 40 degree with segment BC. So I will draw this by using protractor. Draw a ray which makes an angle of 40 degree with BC. Point of intersection of ray and arc is a point A. Then draw AC. This is our triangle ABC. Angle B40, AB is 5.1 centimeter. Triangle LBN is bigger, therefore we have to produce these two sides of triangle ABC. Firstly, then draw a small ray through P, making an acute angle with BC. Then concentrate on ratio. Again, 4:7. The bigger number is 7. Therefore, we have to draw 7 arc on this ray to divide side of triangle LBN in 7 times. Firstly, put compass on B, draw small arc 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will produce this ray to some extent. 6, 7. Then name this point B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. The BC means side of triangle ABC. AC is 4 times. We have to take this BC equal to 4 times, means join B4 to the C. Then the angle made by this B4C with ray, this angle must be equal to, or we have to draw exactly equal angle, congruent angle at point B7. Put compass on B4, draw an arc. Similarly, put compass on B7, draw another arc. या 2 पॉईंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मधलं अंतर घ्यायचं कंपासच्या 2 टोकामध्ये. Put on compass on this point, then draw an arc. Then through this point of intersection and B7, draw a segment which is segment N B7. Then now we have to draw another segment through N which is parallel to AC. For that purpose, again we will use the construction of congruent angle. Put compass on point C, keeping the distance same. Put compass on N, draw an arc. Take the distance equal to the distance between point of intersection. Put compass and this point and draw another arc. Point of intersection and point N should be joined. This point will be a point L. So in this way, triangle ABC is similar to triangle LBN, where BC is 4 times, then BN is 7 times. तर हे झालं पहिलं उदाहरण, म्हणजे क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. त्यानंतर क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 बघूया. पटापट लक्ष द्या इकडे. फर्स्टली ड्रॉ रफ फिगर काढून घेऊ. रफ फिगरमध्ये नाव देण्या अगोदर रेशो बघून घ्यायचा. यामध्ये ट्रायंगल काढायचा आहे PYQ, जो सिमिलर आहे XYZC किंवा XYZ सिमिलर टू PYQ. Y is a common vertex. Then YZ is 6 times, YQ is 5 times, means YZ is a side of triangle XYZ, means XYZ is bigger triangle, and PYQ is smaller triangle, PYQ. Then we are given all the measures that are necessary for construction of one of the triangle. The measures of triangle PYQ are given. PY is 6.3 centimeter, YQ is 7.2 centimeter, PQ is 5.8 centimeter. This is our rough figure. Then starting with base, firstly draw the base of smaller triangle YQ, which is equal to 7.2 centimeter. Use pencil and draw accurate a segment YQ of length 7.2 centimeter. Again take a distance equal to 6.3 in a compass, 6.3. Then put compass on Y and draw an arc. Similarly, take distance equal to 5.8 between the 2 points of compass. Put compass on Q and draw another arc. These two arcs will intersect each other at point P. Join PY and PQ by using a ruler or scale. This PYQ is a smaller triangle. Then we have to produce its two sides like this. Then we have to draw another triangle which is similar to the triangle PYQ. Firstly draw an arc, a ray through Y which makes acute angle with YQ. Then look at the ratio, YZ is 6 times, then YQ is 5 times. This YQ is 5 times, YZ is 6 times, means we have to draw 6 arc on this ray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Name this point Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6. This YQ is 5 times, means join Q to the Y5. Then we have to draw a segment through Y6 which is parallel to QY5. Again put compass on Y5, draw an arc. Similarly put compass on Y6, draw similar arc. Take the distance which is equal to the point of intersection and draw another arc intersecting the first arc. Then draw a segment passing through Y6 and this point of intersection. We will get one of the vertex of bigger triangle, that is point Z. Again put compass on Y, draw an arc. Put compass on Z, draw an arc. Take a distance which is equal to the point of intersection. Put compass on this point, draw an arc. Join this point of intersection and Z by using segment. This point will be the X. So in this way triangle XYZ is constructed which is parallel to triangle PYQ, such that YZ is 6 times, this is YZ is 6 times, then YQ is 5 times. These two triangle are similar. Then we have to write all the measures that are given in example, otherwise full marks, you will not get full marks for that construction, and all the necessary measurements that are given in example should be right in this way.